How to manage Google Play subscriptions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to manage your Google Play subscriptions. Let's just get started. First thing first, what you need to do is open up Google Play Store and simply tap on the profile icon at the top right. From here, you can find your payment and subscriptions tab at the bottom. So just tap on it and then you can find your payment methods here. Make sure that you've already added a payment method, whether it's your PayPal, Cash App, or your credit or debit card. Then once you've done that, go back and you need to find the subscription tabs at the bottom. Once you are here, it will show you all of your active subscriptions right here. And if you want to cancel any subscriptions, you just have to tap on it, go to its settings, and you'll have the cancel button there. And if the subscription is for a limited time, your subscription will be canceled after the given time is over. So all you have to do is just go to the subscription tabs here and you should be able to manage everything from this page. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the subscribe button down below, like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.